Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce a 9-inch IPS touchscreen special from Toyota Hilux. It runs Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. This is the head unit, special harness. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this special harness will come with head unit. This is canvas box for Toyota Hilux. Okay, this connector connects to our back of head unit. Okay, and this is radio antenna. And this one and this one for factory backup camera. This camera input, 2 camera input. You can check camera connector adapter. Original backup camera. Okay, and this make power and speaker. This speaker is power. Okay, this is AMP amplifier, this GND, and this K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. Okay, it will come with installed parts, screws, and this iron screws. This is part left and right. It's left and right. Okay. And this is external microphone. This is original USB. This camera input, IC type, and this audio cable. This connect back our head unit. This video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer. This AUX out left and right, rear and front. Okay, this AUX, this video input, this is AUX input left and right. Okay, let me introduce head units. Okay, you can check this front and the side. There is SD card slot. Okay. This side. On the back, there is GPS antenna. You can check this GPS antenna, and this long cable for USB connector to USB cable, and external microphone. This radio port, this Wi-Fi antenna, these connectors for audio cable and other. This power, this fuse, and this GPS antenna, this USB cable. Okay. Okay, let me power with pure voltage. You can check head unit turn on. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Very fast response. This DSP amplifier. You can change the wallpaper. Click OK. This black screen. Let me check the settings. You can check about machine. It's MCU version, CPU, octa-core, PX5, RAM 4GB. It's Android 9 Pie system. Okay, this home button. Let me check the ROM storage. You can check total 64 GB. It's DSP amplifier. Okay, that's all. Thank you.